This is the second part. Here we will learn how to prepare statement of changes in equity. Okay, so in our first part we have prepared income statement. Okay, it is a service business account. We showed here step by step how to answer income statement in your exam. Okay, so here in the statement of changes in equity we have to take profit or loss for the year. Yeah, so this amount will be included here in this statement. So I will show you here where to include. Okay, so here you see this is the format given in the question. So here on 1st July 2022 we have to write the balance of ordinary share capital, general reserve and retained earnings. Okay, and at the end of the tutorial I'll show you how to write the totals here and here. Okay, so we see here we are doing this account for the year ended 30 June 2023. Yeah, so we will bring down the balance, okay, on 30 June 2023 here in these columns. So first of all we need to write the balance. So we are doing this question from 2023 IGCSE accounting past paper. So what is there? The trial balance of B Limited at 30 June 2023 was as follows. So here we see a list of balances and we have some additional information, 7 adjustments. Okay, so relevant things will be taken here. Okay, and other all expenses and revenue we have taken here in the income statement. So here ordinary share capital and general reserve retained earnings we have on the list of balances. Yeah, so here we have ordinary share capital $10,000, general reserve we have $2,000. Okay, and retained earnings we have $13,490. So let us write this opening balance first of all. So share capital we see $10,000, general reserve $2,000 and retained earnings $13,490. Okay, so now we have some adjustments on the question. So here number 7, $1,000 is to be transferred to the general reserve at 30 June 2023. Okay, so transfer general reserve we have here $2,000. Now we will write here more $1,000. Okay, so before that we need to write profit or loss for the year. Yeah, so here on the income statement we have profit for the year $16,319. Okay, so let us write here profit for the year. So to this retained earnings, profit for the year will be added. Yeah, so we will not write this column general ordinary share capital or general reserve. We will write here on the retained earnings column. Okay, don't forget. So we will write here $16,319. So now we will transfer general reserve $1,000. Yeah, so let us write here transfer to general reserve. So here we will take this 1,000 from retained earnings. So we will minus here and we will add to general reserve. It is $2,000 already we have. Now will be added 1,000 more. Okay, so these two amounts we had, this one we had on the income statement and general reserve we had on the adjustments. Yeah, so now we have one more item, dividend paid. So let us have a look at the question. So on the trial balance list of balances we have the last item, dividend paid on ordinary shares. It is $4,800. Okay, there are two types of dividends, proposed dividend and paid dividend. Yeah, dividend which is paid already. So here proposed dividend is not given on the question, so we don't have to think about it. So here we have dividend paid $4,800. We will write here. paid. Okay, so $4,800. So we will subtract this amount from the retained earnings. So here we will minus $4,800. Okay, so that's all. We have nothing else. So now we will calculate. Okay, we will sum up. So here you see the total column, and here we have also total columns. That means two ways we will calculate, horizontally and vertically. Okay, so let us calculate first horizontally. So here we have $10,000, here we have 2,000, 10,000 plus 2,000 equal to $12,000 plus $13,490. Yeah, so total is here $25,490. Yeah, so let us write here total $25,490. Okay, so here profit for the year we have $16,390. So the same amount will be here $16,319. Okay, so here we have general reserve $1,000. Here we have $1,000. So this is a positive figure, this is negative figure. So plus minus 1,000 will be 0. Yeah, so nothing here, 0. Okay, so here we have $4,800 negative figure. We subtracted from the retained earnings. So same we will write $4,800 negative figure. Okay, great. Now we will sum up vertically. Okay, so here it ordinary share we have just one amount, it is $10,000. We will write here addition $10,000. We see many students, many of you make mistake when you calculate, but it is simple, just you need to understand. So here we have $2,000 and we got $1,000 more, so our total is now here $3,000. Okay, that means at the end of the financial period general reserve is increased, but there is no changes in ordinary share capital, right? It is same like $10,000. Okay, now here written earnings, here we have 13,490 plus 16,319 minus 1,000 minus $4,800. So we get here $24,009. Okay, so here we have 25,490 plus $16,319 minus $4,000. So we get here, after all these calculations, $37,009. Okay, so you see here, if we add these two amounts now horizontally, 24,009 plus 3,000 plus 10,000, same amount, $37,009. Okay, if you get total here, this vertically and this horizontally, this amount, if you see it is same, then you think that your calculations are correct. Okay, so here what does this changes in equity mean? Here you see the opening balance and now you see the closing balance. Here we see balances on 1st July 2022. After 1 year, when financial year ended on 30 June 2023, we see ordinary share capital is same, 10,000, 10,000. General reserve was $2,000. Now it is $3,000. Retained earning was $13,490. Now it is $24,900 because here we got profit for the year. And total was $25,490 at the beginning of the financial period, and at the end it is $37,009.